In this video, I'm going to show you how to see and find your password on your Facebook. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. Here is Facebook, and if I go to the settings of my account, I will not be able to see my password. So what I have to do right now, I will just go to the Chrome and come here to the three dot in the top of the screen. And after that, I will just click on password and autofile and click on Google Password Manager. Click on it like this, and I'm going to see here password section. I will just go to Facebook and click, and I will add right now the password of my PC and click OK. And here is, guys, my Facebook password. If I click here on show, I will be able to see my password and copy it, as you can see like this. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel. See you in another video.